Hello, in this video I want to show you how to customize controls on your OnePlus Buds Pro 2. To do this, you'll need to open Hey Melody app. Inside, go for the earbuds control. If you're not sure on how to pair them with Hey Melody, you can check my previous video on it. Then when we're in the earbuds controls, we can click on any setting and then change it to none. And that's basically all of the options you get. Or right here, double squeeze left earbud to customize voice assistant, game mode, next, previous, play, pause, and triple squeeze to also have more options. And that's basically all of it. If you want to check a tutorial for the earbuds on how to control them, you can click right here and just follow the guides. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.